Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Norvina Mini Pro Pigment Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. This palette was released on ABH website, I believe on October 28th and on the 31st at Sephora. I also think you could only purchase these either at ABH website or Sephora. Please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. So Norvina released two Mini Pro Pigment palettes and this one's Volume 1. This is a 9 eyeshadow pan palette that retails for $29. This one has the same style of layout as the Big Pro palettes with the same type of packaging. It's a plastic packaging with a magnetic closure and it includes a good quality mirror. These are also labeled from A through C and 1 through 3. I know that the full-size Pro Pigment palettes are limited edition, but I don't know if the minis are also limited edition. This one is like a mini version of the Pro Pigment Volume 1 full-size palette. It has a purple and pink color scheme. Even though it looks like a mini version of the Pro Pigment Volume 1, they don't share any eyeshadows. I did swatch the eyeshadows that look similar and none of them were an exact match. Also, the pans of the Mini Pro Pigments are smaller than the full-size palettes, but they are bigger than the eyeshadow pans that you find in the 14 pan palettes. This palette has a mixture of mattes and metallics. Out of the 9 eyeshadows, 7 are mattes and 2 are metallics. The 7 mattes are actually pressed pigments. So when I did my swatches for the mattes, I didn't have any issues with any of them showing up either patchy or chalky. When I tested them with the blending brush, they all blended out smoothly without any issues. I did have some minor fallout and kick up. For the 2 metallics, they were both creamy and pigmented. They swatched evenly without any issues. I recommend using a finger application for these or a wet synthetic brush just for a better payoff. I did have some minor fallout with the shade B2. So overall, if you like the color scheme of this palette, I recommend it. It is a colorful palette, so if you don't tend to use color, I say skip this palette. So let me know what you guys think about this palette. Have you picked it up or are you planning on picking it up? I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.